Hi everyone. So today I'm here presenting a case study of one of our clients. Our client is a Nandila G Mart. Nandila G Mart is considered one of the largest electronic and home appliances store network in Kerala. Okay, they have around more than 30 plus showrooms across the street of Kerala, and they're a key player in this segment for years. And we have planned and executed this campaign during a period of the second wave of the pandemic, like when everyone was forced to go under lockdown, the whole state was under lockdown. There was no sales during them. Literally, it's zero sales during that particular few weeks when the whole state was under lockdown. So we are sharing a case study on how what we have achieved during a week of this lockdown. Okay, stating the problem here, like the our social media posts about new launches and new multiple products that we are posting in the social media gathered inquiries. Like people were coming to the comments and asking, what's the price for this, where can I get this, do you have a home delivery facility available? These questions were asked by the followers of particular pages. So what we're thinking, we understood that we understood that the people are ready to buy products even during this particular time. Okay, they are ready to spend money on these, but on products that's available. So it was just a matter of time. So we reached to them with a exciting offer. So what we did was we started with thinking on how to get to them, like how we can reach to them. So as of now, we can't deliver any products during the statewide lockdown. Okay, so delivery is not possible. So we are thinking, how can we reach these audiences who are interested to buy a particular product or something from our. So since Nantilas is a key major player, they have a wide variety of products under every segment of home appliances, laptop, mobiles, then home appliances, washing machine, refrigerator, small appliances, everything. There are everything under their hood. So we are thinking like how to reach these audiences who are interested to buy. Can another thing, we couldn't deliver to their doorstep because the since it's a lockdown, the home delivery was not allowed. So we were thinking like if we can offer a right offer with a good strategy, then get maximum leads or maximum inquiries, and once a shop opens, we can follow up them back and deliver these products. So what we did is we developed a lead generation ad campaign strategy. So it's basically we run this lead generation ad campaign in Facebook and Instagram, and there are multiple products in the category. So we broke the major products into major segments, six segments, like telephones, like mobile phones, laptops, home appliances, segments into refrigerator, washing machine, then small appliances for the kitchen. Okay, so we have broken it down, and then AC also. That's another product category. So then. We had a team set up by the client who to follow up the leads and ensure they are taken care as soon as we submit the leads. Okay, once the leads are submitted, we have a team who are ready to follow up these leads and convert them into a possible conversion. Like if they need something, they are ready to assist them and provide them with the details and make us booking when the shop reopens. Okay, and we would like to see the result was very interesting. Like we ran this campaign for a week, and we get more than 28,000 leads. Okay, for this particular 1 week campaign, we have generated more than 28,000 leads under these six categories. And among these leads which are collected, 50% of them seem to be interested, and they picked up the phone and they were interested in knowing the product details. And like they were all based on each category, so we are following them based on categories itself, so they were interested. And we continued the cold call strategy and booked a time for them, like time for each customer to purchase when the store opens. As we had a news that the next week the store may get open, like everything will be open, be allowed to open. So we are booking the date and booking the time for them to come to the showroom, nearest showroom, and do the purchase. So after a week, when the store finally opened, we had recorded a sale of 500 mobile phones and 83 laptops in the first day itself. Like these, all the leads came from the follow-ups and the cold calls which we had with the leads. And considering the average purchase value of a mobile phone to be 10,000 and laptop for 20,000, we were able to generate a revenue around 50 lakhs, more than 50 lakhs, you could say. Okay, so these are an approximate amount on the total budget, but okay, that was 50 lakh was possible, and we did this within a week of campaign and right after the state reopening day of the statewide lockdown. So the client was pretty happy with these results, and yeah, This is what we could do with a week.